And hello, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. A lot of you were wondering about the challenge I did a couple months ago about using this and corned beef to make meat pies. And I got a lot of comments. It's too hard. We don't know how to make meat pies. We don't know how to cook. What's a meat pie? I never had one. Whole bunch of excuses. Uncle Alan don't take excuses. He does things and he takes care of them. Okay? If anything comes up, Uncle Alan will solve them. Now, here's one of my favorites. See? Cupcake tray. All right, it's one of the original ones. I scrounged this off of a garage sale. This is an old one. Now, what I use this for is I make pies. I make this in the direction. I put it in, shape it into the thing, have enough dough to cover the top. Everything's well greased. Then I take my corned beef and make the filling. Cook it, chop it up, add peas, celeries, garlic, diced potatoes, or turnips, whatever you like to add to your corned beef, and fill in each one of them. Okay, now I may need another package of this to make 10 to 8 different pies. Okay, Uncle Lon can make 3 ways pies of doing this, and I could do it over a wood fire too. So there's no word ain't, can't, couldn't do it. Uncle Alan will do it, shall do it, nothing will stop do it. There is only one Uncle Al. Like the Highlander, there's only one of them. Okay? So there's only one of me. The other thing is, a lot of my nephews don't like corned beef. I love it. It doesn't bother me. They look at it like, oh my God, we're eating dog food. Okay? So instead of using that, I take a pre-cooked chicken from one of the grocery stores. After we finish it, we always have leftover chicken meat from it. So I take that and combine it with Campbell's chunky style soup. I do add a little flour to thicken it, and it has vegetables and stuff. Sometimes I add like green onions, frozen peas, stuff like that to that. Again, using this, I will make chicken pot pies. And I will either bake, deep fry, or oven over a wooden fire. Excuse me. Now, when I glaze this, I'll use either butter or I will use an egg wash and sprinkle a little Mrs. Dash. Not sponsored. I'm just a cook. And so they have this wonderful pie. Now, a lot of people look, you make pies in a Dutch oven on a wood fire? And I said, yeah. So what's hard about it? Okay, and I'll catch you later. I hope you have a nice Sunday. This is your old pal, Uncle. And yes, I've been sleeping on the couch because I'm not feeling too well. So I got to take my rest sometimes. I've worked too hard. Catch you later, folks.